Hello guys, this part of the video has been edited because I didn't get it all in this clip. Well, I did, but at the end. But this is just a video of me earlier on this afternoon waiting for trains at the old site of the Templepatrick station, which closed like probably sometime in the 70s or 80s, I don't know. Enjoy the video. It's obviously not coming, is it? Might as well end the video here. There we are. It's coming out. 4,000. I think I was 406 there. Right, there's another train coming. Set it there. There. 3,000. I don't know what number that is. Hello guys. Today we are at the old site of Templepatrick train station, which is just up there, as you can see. And this is St. Patrick and St. John's Parish Hall. So we're gonna be seeing a train here. They'll be running. Yeah, that way. I've never actually filmed. Well, I have filmed here before, but like I've never actually filmed like where I'm standing right now before. Filmed from somewhere else. Sorry, I'm shaking because it's a bit cold out here and I haven't got a coat on. But the reason I'm train spotting here today is because there's going to be I think there might be a 6-car 4,000 coming, not now, but for the next service, heading to Londonderry or something like that, or Port Rush even, I don't know, but it's more likely going to be Londonderry because like that's where it usually goes, hey? I might be able to see the number from there. I wish I could go up there and look, but I'm not allowed because that's like trespassing. So, yeah. I think I hear it coming. I think I can hear it now, yeah, definitely. It's coming now. Yeah, it's definitely coming. I can hear a train, I think. That's odd, it should have came. I've been here for ages and the train still hasn't came. Like I've been here for at least a couple of hours now. I thought I heard a train going over a level crossing for a sec. But by that I mean like I'm not sure if it actually was a level crossing. Like it could have been some sort of passing lip or something, because I know there is a passing lip here. Like not like, oh there. I can hear it. I can hear the track session. It's coming. 3000. 319. 319 to Great Victoria Street. Right, so there's another train coming. We're like, it's exactly 20 minutes later. There. No, sorry, not there. I think I'll stand here now. Send it down under. So it is. There. Or not. Thought it was for a sec, but it's not. Should be coming any minute now. Hopefully 4015 should be coming. If not, then this is just a big waste of time and I'm not going to upload it. Well, I mean, well, not for a long time even. There. It's definitely at now. 404! Oh, for God's sake! I kinda knew this was a prank. Thanks, Alex. Okay guys, I just heard a horn. There's a train coming. And I'm not joking you, I legitimately heard this. I'm not sure if that's a word, but I don't care. By the way, this is for Alex. I'm sorry for taking my anger out on you there. Didn't mean it. One sec, guys. Sorry about that, guys. So, yeah. Sorry, I was being called by someone, so I was. I want to know what's coming, so I do. There! It's coming! 418! I mean 4008 even, to Great Victoria Street. Right, so there's another train coming. It should be 3019 because I was on the call with Alex just earlier. He was train spotting at White Abbey, so he was.
What are these?
Yeah, he was train spotting. He's still there at White Abbey right now. And 3019 should be heading this way because he said that it was heading to Londonderry and gave him a massive tone. But whenever 408 passed me, didn't give me any tones, but gave Alex a lot of tones. By a lot, I mean like about 2 or something like that. I haven't the videos aren't up on YouTube at the time of recording this, which is 15:38 on Saturday the 22nd of January 2022. This road is very busy, as you can see. That one's even busier. That is the old coach road, and then this is a Lyle Hill road. I mean, like, I'm noticing that a lot of like lorries and industrial like vehicles come on this road, mainly because they might be heading for Mollusk or something like that, or Brett Martin in Roughfort. I don't know, but mainly that's the case. So 3019 should be coming, should be heading to Londonderry. So it should be coming from this way. Kinda wish that station was still open so I could go on the platform and look, because for quite a while it's a straight line, so you can see from a long distance away without having to like start recording early, which is annoying. But unfortunately the station's closed. I think there's talks of reopening it again, but it won't be like that exact building. It'll be somewhere else. I think the Ballymartin Park and Ride or something. And to be honest, I think Ballymartin level crossing could result into becoming full barriers, because there'll be a station near it or something like that. But the station will just be named Templepatrick. Oh, there's a dog. There. Oh wait, no, there's an owner there. Thought it was a stray there for a sec. Almost 5 minutes of recording and it's still not here. As far as I know, there's... What's that really strange noise that I always hear? It must be coming from there. Oh, it's coming! 319! 319 to Derry, London Derry.